tired. Good morning, guys. Happy move-in day. How many times have I said this statement? I started packing 2 days ago, a little bit, and I had like a couple boxes down, and then last night my dad came over to keep me company just while I was like packing up the kitchen and my closet, which were two like big things that were on my mind. We got everything off the walls. For the most part, everything's packed besides all of my pots and pans, and I have a bunch of stuff over my fridge that is just kind of like bulky items, and I ran out of bins. So my dad's gonna bring me one more bin, hopefully for that stuff. At least it's not super early in the morning right now because we couldn't pick up the U-Haul until 10. I know. I got a U-Haul. This is a little bit different of a move for me because if you have watched my moves before, we've always just moved with my dad Doug's truck, and we've just played Tetris and taken like a bunch of trips, and luckily my moves haven't been like too crazy far. This time I had a lot more stuff to move, and I just asked him, I was like, don't you think it'll be easier also if it's raining? I don't want to deal with that, and just one trip where we load up the U-Haul and then we unload it. It was less than $100, so I just felt like it was worth it. We're gonna check out the U-Haul life. This could be the answer to making our lives a little bit easier today, because the last thing I want to do is move. I've given up all control. I feel like I've gotten really good at moving without expectations now. It's 8:30. My dad's gonna pick up the U-Haul at 10, so he probably won't be here till like 10:30ish. My mission right now is to eat breakfast and enjoy my last morning in my apartment, and then I want to do all of my linen laundry for my bedding here, so it's all like clean when I get to my new place and I can just make my bed. I'm gonna take you guys along on all the moving craziness. My friend Leah is helping me out. Thank goodness she got today off. Cannot move without her, and it just makes the job so much easier when you have 3 people instead of 2. We're moving back to my dream apartment, my favorite place that I called home. I'm gonna link the video of why I'm actually moving, what went into the decision. The video is gonna answer it all. I'm gonna eat my Elenos. Cheers. Talk to you soon.
It ain't the time for an argument, ain't the time to cry over spilled milk. Batteries full charged in, believe or not, you're the swift wind. So the plan B.
Now that the laundry is started and I'm ready for the day, I can officially give you guys a little bit of a tour of where we're at right now in the moving process. We got everything off the walls, like I said, just started my laundry. I think I'm gonna roll this into my laundry basket, kind of like a hodgepodge of hanging materials, some of my bags. I just taped up my nightstand because we're not really moving far, and I'm gonna take this tape off today, so I just wanted to like leave everything in there and not go through it. Mirror, this will be kind of an interesting one to move, not looking forward to that. Closet, I worked on this a lot yesterday. Looks pretty good. All of the drawers are empty and ready to go. This bag is just here if I want to like put extra hangers in it. Filled this rolling thing up to the brim, like all my beanies are in here. And then empty laundry basket. I definitely need to vacuum because I see some dust bunnies. Shoes are all packed. Bathroom looks really good. I obviously have my laundry going on. I didn't really want to like pack all this stuff up. This is mostly like cleaning supplies on this cart, so I may need those. I can't forget my broom here. Shower's ready. This thing's empty. Everything else is empty and cleaned out so that it looks all nice and clean. All the doors are clean. I washed this yesterday. I may use that to like help us pack. I use literally every soft thing I can think of, which reminds me I have these back here that I could also use. Plants and some wine. This is like the fragile box, and I'll probably do the same with this one. So this is the part that's really just a mess. We have bins all up and down here, semi-organized. I love these bins because I can see what's in them. I need to take out the trash this morning. This is more stuff I'm throwing away. This is like the only cupboard that's really full of stuff, but it's all my pantry items. We still have all of this stuff. I mean, it's semi-contained because there's like some bins, but I don't really know what to do about that. My fridge is looking pretty empty. I just have some like random stuff down there that we can put in the cooler bag. This is pretty empty. This is the stuff I'm taking. This is kind of our random staging ground of all my supplies. I'm trying to like 2-day air my friend her birthday present, so that's something I have to deal with today. And then these are just tape, scissors, baggies. This view is just the best part. I will definitely miss this most about the apartment. I was sitting in here yesterday for like a couple hours just reminiscing. The other thing that my dad and I have to do is take this light down. If you guys remember that video, my dad and I drilled into the concrete ceiling to put some light in here because it gets so dark at night. That is the thing I will not miss about the apartment. That light and these gross concrete ceilings. I don't know who thought this was a good idea. We're just gonna keep condensing. What is it? It's 9:12, so we have like at least an hour.
Had to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard way. Say you want me, then keep playing these games. I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't stay, get up out of my way. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I won't. Think I'm good on my own.
Been very productive in the past hour. I got my friend Kylie's gift all done, card, packed up, addressed. Right now we're taping the remote to the TV because in my last move, I thought I lost the remote, but I didn't. I just was an idiot and couldn't find it in the box. Perfect. Except for we don't want it on. So my dad should be texting me any minute that he's got the trailer and then he'll be on his way. So I'm just trying to, as quickly as possible, pick up all the little junk, like the pieces that are really hard to find a home for.
Without the full closure, 'cause there be times I thought that we could start this all over. But now I know I can't do any type of mediocre.
It'll fit there, but it's this door that's short. So we're worried that the U-Haul won't fit. Leah has arrived on scene. Doug is in the U-Haul. Air traffic control. Action. You're good. Yeah, you're good. You're in. I'm gonna press the button again so it doesn't close on you. You're good. Trouble for bringing it in because apparently that's what the garage door broke. Are you excited for this? Yeah. She's like, kill me now. Never again. We're starting with the mattress. I don't want you to trip on this thing.
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. 'Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Is this thing on? Oh my gosh, it is. What's up, Kiara's followers? Actually, I would probably classify myself as one of Kiara's followers. I was a friend first, and then I became a follower. But we're doing the big move. I feel like this is like the 3rd move we've done. Super fun. Kiara and Doug just took the couch down to the U-Haul. I'm supposed to pack the last bin. I did. I'm glad there's a U-Haul this time, because the past couple moves, there's been no U-Haul. And it's been a lot of trips and a lot of manpower, and it's doable. It's just a lot of work. A U-Haul just simplifies and streamlines. Off of the day. Just kidding. Beat the shoe.
Oh, also that's a present for you. Merry Christmas.
I got you a little something. You can open it now.
It's not Christmas.
Yeah, but you have to open it.
Christmas gift. Don't your family don't get to do one Christmas Eve?
Oh. It's an advent calendar.
For cats.
Yeah.
My cat's gonna get so
You're
fat.
It's only 1 treat a day. That's normal.
Oh my gosh, my cat's gonna love this.
I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't stay, get up out of my way. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I won't. Think I'm good on my own. 'Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. 'Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm
Bins,
independent.
check. We got Dustin helping out. We got mattress, slates. Doug's taking apart the bed. Things are looking really good. Now we're gonna take another load. We're just laughing.
Lose it, my feelings muted. Put it into what we had without the full closure. 'Cause there be times I thought that we could start this all over. But now I know I can't do any type
Got them
of
buns, huh? I would pay you $10 if you can get this thing out without taking off a side.
I may be completely wrong.
$10
Look
each.
here, Leah, look here. Look at that. See that molding? We're gonna lift this thing above that molding to give a little bit more room.
give you, like,
Because it's really
half an
close.
No.
Told you. What?
Get out of your purse right now.
What? How did you? $10 each. $10 each. I'll pay you when I find my wallet.
I'm good, yeah, I'm good, I'm good.
You guys need to go to World Foods on Everett Street in the Pearl. We just had the best experience.
I mean, honestly, James just kept forcing me.
Yeah, we had a whole 4-course meal. We had an appetizer, then we had our main course, and then we had 2 desserts.
Yeah.
And it was so nice. We got some chicken shawarma pitas and some tabbouleh, and we're gonna go eat and fuel ourselves before we wrap up this move, it's just like the big furniture left, and Doug's been working hard while we've been eating snacks. Kidding me? This is delicious. I think we're all in happy food coma. We are getting ready to move the TV stand. We just had lunch. The light is down, feeling refueled. I kind of forgot about the shoe organizers and things like that, but my bedroom is pretty much empty. We got the desk and those things to go in my car and more fragile items.
Gotta bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I to learn the hard way. Say you want me, they keep playing this game. I'ma need you just to count it.
We're pretty much done. Morale is low, but there's like the random stuff that isn't gonna fit. I guess I have to put my clothes in my car, but my dad and I are gonna come back a different day to get the mirror and the TV because we're not pressed for time and we still have to unload the entire U-Haul. All right, goodbye for today, apartment. We're not dealing with the clothes because we know we have a lot of other stuff to do. Welcome to our largest problem of the day, which is trying to get the U-Haul out without damaging the garage door. I'm just gonna sit here and watch, and Doug's gonna go slow. Hug the right. Well, I can't see it now, but it looks good. You're good. You're good. Of course, it literally just started raining. It is currently 3:30, so obviously we're not getting as far as I wanted to today, but I feel like that's what happens when you can't pick up the truck until like 10, and then my dad said it just like took longer to pick up and everything, so we didn't even start loading until 11:30. So this is why I have no expectations, because I'm definitely just unloading all the stuff in my apartment. We're taking the U-Haul back and then we're calling it a day. All right, let's unload this thing. Really hoping for a parking spot. We've arrived. My lock's a little sticky. Oh, it smells good in here. Bring her in. We're back. Here's the food. Well, it feels like you fit in the door. Sorry, hon. You didn't make the cut. Thought it was an idiot. It's so dumb. It hurts how we're like attacking. Okay, we're back.
We cross paths by mistake at the library. Wrote down her name in the dust. Who would have thought that someone could awaken new emotions within us? Because of you, I'm out of the blue, so over the moon.
All right, let's take another lap.
On a day, very first time, one step at a time. It's just how to say this love. Just let it drift, 'cause things might be sweet, so let's not say that.
Leah and I somehow managed to not snap the elevator door and get this beast in here. Tilt it on its legs. Okay. And then get this out of the way. 1, 2, 3. I guess I didn't just all the way up. Maybe a little bit. Go over. That actually looks pretty good there. Cool! We have a TV stand. I'm delirious. I need water. We only have the couch and my mattress left, and it's 4:42, so that took us like an hour and a half to unload. Why does it always take longer to load? It's crazy.
On top of the world.
The ceilings are so much taller in here. They're taller than my old apartment. They're like a foot taller. I'm just gonna...
They have a band that plays right down there that you'll hear on the weekend, I think.
I think I'm just gonna sleep right here. You know what I want to do tonight? I want to watch The Crown.
Wow, I love the windows in this room here. Just killer.
Yeah, they're cool.
I mean, you look at the wall is glass.
Because you didn't have that
No,
thing over.
I did, but it was lower. Like when you look
Yeah,
from the
it
outside of
looks
the building, there's a bigger gap. Look how clean the ceilings are. There's no gross concrete. This is incredible. Here's the tour of where we've gotten so far, because I'm probably gonna end the vlog. We gotta go get the mattress and the couch. There's that. So we put spinny chair here for now. We don't know if she'll stay. We're calling it a day. Thank you guys for watching this crazy move-in day part 1, since literally I'm going to my parents' house after this to sleep because I'm so tired and my body hurts. But thank you for all the support and kind words on my last video of me moving here. Like, I'm so happy to be here. Feels good to be home, feels good to be back, and we got a lot of unpacking and organizing to do, especially to make all of my stuff fit in this smaller space. I basically lost over 100 square feet. It's gonna be different. We're gonna gonna have to make some decisions, but it's gonna be a good time. So give this video a thumbs up if you want more moving content. And then today's question of the day is going to be, what are you most excited about for the holidays? Or what's your favorite holiday? Because I'm getting really excited for Christmas. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later.
It's all true. It's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate